Here's where we last left our WordPress install after we uploaded our files. This screen is telling us WordPress is missing a file called wp-config.php, which holds, among other things, your database credentials. Go ahead and click Create a Configuration File. The next screen tells you what information you'll need to configure, all of which you should have. So let's go. First, WordPress needs the name of the MySQL database, the MySQL user, and the MySQL password for that user, all information you created in the previous challenge. Database host defaults to localhost, which basically just means that the database lives on the same server as your site. Finally, WordPress is going to create some tables in the database, so it wants to know what to prefix the table names with. We'll stick with the default WP_, but if you had multiple installs of WordPress on the same database server, you might want to change this prefix to something else. When we submit this page, WordPress will test the connection to the database to make sure our credentials are working. If all went well, you'll get this success page. Go ahead and click Run the install. Next up, WordPress is going to ask you for some basic settings. Give your site a title. You can change this later, so don't worry about choosing the perfect name right now. Next, pick out a username and password, which will be what you use to log into your WP admin dashboard. We're going to let WordPress generate a password for us just to make sure it meets the strength requirements. Finally, throw in your email, and unless you want your site to stay out of search engine results, leave the search engine box checked. Wrap it all up by hitting the Install button. Don't forget to record that password. And now let's log in for the first time. Voila! You're all done with the installation. Welcome to your new WP admin dashboard. Make note of this URL because it's where you'll visit whenever you want to manage your site.